how to make money on Freelancer as a WordPress developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors that visit this platform daily looking for freelancers with good skills to hire. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for a WordPress developer, I will just come to this platform, go to hire freelancers and click on by skill. And here I'm going to search for a WordPress developer. So here we have web developers. We can check for, let's go with other web developers to find a WordPress web developer. As you can see, hire expert web developers for any job. So let's scroll down to see more web developers. And here you can enter the skill you're actually looking for to see their profiles. So here we have WordPress developer. So let's click on search. And let's remove web development. So here you can see all of the WordPress developers. We're searching for a WordPress developer, but we have here Google Sheets, Flyer. Let's search for skill, WordPress developer. So here guys, you'll be able to see the profiles of those freelancers who are doing those skills, and by they're showcasing their skills by those profiles. They're showcasing how much they're getting paid, their reviews, how much stars they've got, the skills that they can do, and in their description they're trying to convince the client or the visitor to choose them or hire them instead of the others. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people to showcase your skills as well. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your profile. So here, click on earn money freelancing, and then you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my email and my password, then click on login. And then you'll proceed to your dashboard where you're going to control everything about your profile. So here, go to your top right, click on this button. It's where you're going to see your account, and it's where you can view your profile, your membership, account analytics, bid insights, settings, and also you can see your finances. You can check your balance, if you want to add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, financial dashboard, payment sharing, and here you can have your support, invite friends, or if you want to log out. So let's go up and let's go to view our profile. And here, as you can see, our profile looks pretty empty. We have nothing in it, 0 reviews, 0 jobs completed, 0 money, 0 likeliness. So here, first thing to do is to edit your profile. So click on edit profile in here, and as you can see, you will need first to verify your email in order to be able to edit anything about your profile. And guys, after you're done with verifying your email, then I suggest to edit profile picture, add a profile picture. Same thing with your cover photo as well, because there is no client that will work with you or work with a freelancer who doesn't have a profile picture in his profile, because that looks like a scammer. And after you're done with those changes, then you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure if you can to join a member of to be a member of their elite group of the best freelancers. Also make sure to verify your identity. As you can see, identity not verified through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Same thing with the payment method. As you can see, not verified to have a valid payment method. And for your phone as well, phone number not verified, email not verified, we talked about this before. And for your Facebook, make sure to connect your account. And if you are asking why I need to make all of these verifications, simply guys, with those verifications you will gain more trust and more credibility in this platform, and if you gain more trust you will get more jobs. It's that easy and simple equation. So after you're done with those verifications, then you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. After that, you proceed to type in your professional headline, then type your summary or your description. It's where you're going to describe yourself, your skill, and where did you gain this skill, where did you learn it, how much it took you to learn, and your previous expertise and all of those stuff. After that, you proceed to enter in your skills. So click on this pencil here and remove these ones. As you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. So let's see what we can find in here. Let's enter our skill. We have developer. Let's go with WordPress. We have WordPress as a whole, WordPress plugin, WordPress design, and WordPress multilingual. And then when you're done with entering your skills, scroll down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to fill in your portfolio section. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet. So these things also will help you gain more trust in the platform. Same thing with adding your experience, your education, qualifications, and publications as well. And after you're done with all of these changes, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse, click on projects, and here you'll be able to see all of the listed or the posted jobs from people who are looking for someone to work with them. So let's search for our skill to see if there is any posted jobs that we can apply for. So here you will be able to see all of the posted jobs from the people that are looking for WordPress skills. So here you can apply for those jobs if you find one that fits your requirements. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.